This program was definitely not what I was expecting when I Googled best massage therapy near me. I was like, what should I do? I'm finishing up my grad school. I finished up before coming here my master's degree. I did not feel confident. I did not feel competent. I did not have the tools that I felt like I needed to do what I was put on this earth to do. And I knew that I was here to do something great, but I didn't feel like I was ready. And I knew that this was gonna be, whether it was this program or something else, and Tracy helped guide me into that, saying, yes, this is a great program, you're gonna learn great things, and kind of helped me along the way. There were so many times in this program, whether in anatomy or tech, that things were clicking. Like I was making connections that I was like, oh, that makes so much sense, that makes so much sense. I'm sure all my classmates have heard, but I made a video several years ago, about how I helped my hiatal hernia. If you don't know what that is, it's when your stomach gets stuck up into your diaphragm. Just some things that, I did for myself. I made a video and it had such an amazing impact. I mean, the comments, people saying it changed their lives, helped people, doctors saying they use it with their patients. And so I had that connection of the structure of the body. You go to the doctor, they're like Randy says, and I'm going to use that, I'm stealing this from now on. Randy said, medical doctors in the traditional sense are physiologists, right? They look at the physiology and they work to change that, usually through drugs, surgery. Their way to fix the structural issues is usually surgery. And so I knew that, looking at the structure of the body and actually working on correcting it, facilitating healing can have such an amazing impact. I had that back then, but every time we come into tech, every time anatomy, I'm like, more tools in my tool belt, more ways that I can help people. And so, I'm just so grateful for this program. 18 months is a long time. Every time I would think about complaining, I'd be like, hell no. Aster comes every single day from Orlando. I have no right to complain.